Hey everyone, welcome back to Exoit Cars the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special of the 2025 Toyota Altezza. A name that brings back memories of JDM legends. The Altezza is back, and Toyota has given it a modern twist. But does it live up to its iconic past? Let's find out. Starting with the design. The 2025 Altezza stays true to its sporty roots with an aggressive yet elegant stance. Toyota has incorporated sharp LED headlights, a low-slung front grille, and sleek body lines that give it a performance-driven look. The rear features Lexus-inspired taillights, a subtle lip spoiler, and a dual exhaust setup, hinting at its sporty intentions. Stepping inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and performance. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium leather-trimmed sport seats. Toyota has also added carbon fiber accents and aluminium pedals to enhance the sporty feel. Now, let's talk performance here, the real reason why enthusiasts love the Altezza name. Under the hood, Toyota offers two engine options. The base model gets a 2.4 liters turbocharged inline-4, producing 275 horsepower and 317 pounds-feet of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic. But the real excitement comes from the GR Altezza variant, which features a 3.0 liters turbocharged inline-6 delivering 382 horsepower and 369 pounds-feet of torque, sending power to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters. With rear-wheel drive, RWD, as standard and an optional AWD system, the 2025 Altezza delivers an engaging driving experience. The adaptive suspension, limited slip differential, and precise steering ensure sharp handling, whether you're on city streets or a winding mountain road. Toyota has also fine-tuned the launch control system, allowing the GR variant to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. In terms of technology, Toyota has equipped the new Altezza with performance telemetry, a customizable drive mode selector, and an upgraded JBL sound system for an immersive experience. The Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite comes standard, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Toyota Altezza is expected to start at $42,000 for the base model, while the GR Altezza will likely cost around $55,000. Given its power, technology, and heritage, the pricing makes it a strong competitor to the BMW 3 Series, Audi S4, and even the Nissan Z. So, is the 2025 Toyota Altezza the JDM sports sedan revival we've been waiting for? With its bold design, powerful engine choices, and driver-focused dynamics, it certainly brings back the spirit of the original Altezza. The question is, would you buy one over a Lexus or a European rival? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews, test drives, and auto news. See you in the next one.